In today's video, I show you how to create a class schedule in Canva, a fun and visually appealing way to organize your classes. Start by heading to the Canva website and typing class schedule into the search bar. You will see a variety of templates tailored for schedules. Browse through them and pick one that fits your style. Once you find a design you like, click Customize this template to open it in Canva's editor. Now comes the fun part, personalizing your schedule. Click on any text box to edit class names, times, and other details. You can also tweak colors, fonts, and layout elements to make your schedule truly unique. Canva's extensive font and color options make it easy to match your style, while keeping it clear and readable. When your schedule is ready, click the Share button at the top right. You can either share it directly or download it as a PDF, JPEG, or another preferred format for printing or digital use. And that's it. Your custom class schedule is ready to keep you organized and add a touch of creativity to your day. Happy scheduling and designing!